corner, Lady Aria, then followed by Princess Belle, double rocker, while Empire Ruler is running on a tail with a fielder. And as they leave the shoot now, it is still Meet Me in the corner. In front by some 6 lengths, followed by Lady Aria, Empire Ruler, then followed by Princess Belle, while Double Rock now running on a tail with a fielder. Upway now they trouble, it is still Meet Me in the corner. Still in front, leads by some 5 lengths, Lady Aria, moving up Empire Ruler, then from the inside now Princess Bella, then followed by Double Rock as they pass the last 8-mile pole. It is still Meet Me in the corner, maintaining a 5 lengths leader, followed now by Princess Bella. Then next in line, Empire Ruler, Lady Aria, well, Double Rock still running on a tail of the fielder. And inside the last 400, it is still Meet Me in the corner by only 2 lengths. And here comes Princess Belle by Ruela, and followed by Double Rock, Empire Ruler, and Lady Aria. Princess Belle now takes the lead right outside. Meet Me in the corner, last 100. It is still Princess Belle. And finally, Princess Belle, Meet Me in the corner, Double Rock, Empire Ruler, and Lady Aria. There, Batang Manda draws for the leader, followed closely by Fit Belle. Alengkanya Pinter, Ruby Bell, then followed by Louis Bila. Added, Haha, next in line, then followed by Steel Somehow, while Bo's Lady is running in a tail with the fielder. And upway now they travel, it's Fit Bell, now for the outside, Liz Barnack, followed by Batang Manda. Then 5 lengths away, Ruby Bell, then followed now by Steel Somehow. Around the outside, Louis Beal coming forward now, Added, Haha, and Bo's Lady. And as they race up for turn, Batang Manda regains the lead now from Pit Bell. 4 lengths for the back, Ruby Bell, Added, Haha, here comes Louis Beal. Down for the inside, Steel Somehow. And towards the last 400 is still Batang Manda, leads by some 3 lengths now, followed now by Bo's Lady. Feeble, Added, Haha, Still Somehow, while Louis Beal is running in a tail of the fielder. And down the stretch they go, it is still Batang Manda, leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Bo's Lady. Added, Haha, from the outside, Still Somehow, Feeble, Ruby Bell, Louis Beal. But it's still Batang Manda winning this race. Second, Bo's Lady. Third, close, Still Somehow, and Added.
Horses out as expected. We have Ivan gets away immediately. Adorable Felicia, Venue Shopper, Honey Rider, Signature Whiskey, and Dolia Rama is running up the tail of the field. Ace on leader, Ivan by about 3 lengths. Avenue Shopper in second. Adorable Felicia, Honey Rider, Signature Whiskey, and Dolia Rama is running at the tail of the field. There is still Ivan. Goes on by about 4 lengths. Avenue Shopper still in second. Signature Whiskey in third. Adorable Felicia in fourth position. Then followed by Dolia Rama and Honey Rider. And it's still Ivan by about 2.5 lengths. Signature Whiskey, Adorable Felicia, Riaz, and Avenue Shopper. And it's still Ivan, Signature Whiskey, Adorable Felicia is running by Drella. And it's still Ivan by about 2 lengths. Adorable Felicia now in second. Signature Whiskey on the outside as they come down to the last 100. And it's still Ivan by about 2 lengths. Signature Whiskey, Adorable Felicia fighting it out for second and third. And it's still Ivan, Adorable Felicia, Signature Whiskey on the outside. And it's still Ivan, Signature Whiskey on the outside. Ivan, Signature Whiskey, Adorable Felicia. Ivan, Signature Whiskey. And finally it's going to be Signature Whiskey, Ivan, Adorable Felicia. All right. Horses out, it says Grumble for front position, moving up Platinum Prolic on the outside, moving up now is Attractive Force Together with Life Gets Better. Life Gets Better. Attractive Force. Platinum Prolic is running by Drella. And in fourth position comes Charm Campaign, Kasakan, Sophisticated Cat Bell. And My Jopay is running up the tail of the field. There is still Platinum Prolic, the leader by about 2 lengths, and in second, Attractive Force. Life Gets Better, still in third position. Charm Campaign fourth. Kazakan in fifth, Sophisticated Cat Bell and My Jopay. And it's still Platinum Prolic, goes on by about 2.5 lengths. And in second, still is Attractive Force. Life Gets Better, still in third position. Here comes Kazakan, Sophisticated, Charm Campaign, and Cat Bell. With Platinum Prolic, still the leader by about 4 lengths. And in second, still is Attractive Force, Kazakan, Life Gets Better, Sophisticated, and Cat Bell. With Platinum Prolic still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Attractive Force still in second, Sophisticated on the outside, Cat Bell. And it's still Platinum Prolic this time by about 2.5 lengths. Entering the finish line is all number 2, Platinum Prolic second. Cat Bell, Sophisticated, then comes for Charm Campaign.
Explorer, and they're up and raising up. Iikot lang, then moving up now. Angry Maxine. It's Angry Maxine, iikot lang. Radio outside, Happy Kid. Then moving forward now is My Dad Bogart. And 3 lengths for the back, I'll have another Happy Maggie next in line, Jersey Crown. While I Love Mati is running in the tail of the field. And as they settle now, it is still Angry Maxine being chased by My Dad Bogart. Then followed by Happy Kitty, ikot lang, here comes Happy Maggie. I'll have another Jersey Crown next in line, while I Love Mati still running in the tail of the field. And as they race the corner now, it is still Angry Maxine leads by Sam 2 lengths, followed by My Dad Bogart. 4 lengths by the back now is Happy Maggie. Happy Kid now by the outside, iikot lang, I'll have another. Here comes Jersey Crown, while I Love Mati still running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 400, Angry Maxine holding on. My Dad Bogart now by the outside, final turn now, Angry Maxine still in front. And My Dad Bogart by the outside, Happy Maggie, Happy Kid, Jersey Crown down from the inside, I Love Maria. But it's still Angry Maxine with 2 lengths lead. And hitting the finish line is Angry Maxine. My Dad Bogart, Happy Maggie.
Horses, we have Golden Sunrise, fast to begin, runway 10, moving up in the middle portion now, is Cats in the Cradle, also moving up now is Parisian Live, Golden Sunrise, Cats in the Cradle is running by Drella, it's now Cats in the Cradle, Golden Sunrise in the middle, Parisian Live, 3 wide on the outside, 3 runners by the out for the lead, Parisian Live, Golden Sunrise in the middle, Cats in the Cradle in third position, Full Combat Order in fourth, and moving up now on the outside is Sabawani, and still Golden Sunrise, Parisian Live fighting out for the leader, Cats in the Cradle still in third, Full Combat Order in fourth, and comes Sabawani, Golden Sunrise, Parisian Live fighting out for the leader, Cats in the Cradle still in third, Full Combat Order in fourth, but it's still Golden Sunrise, Parisian Live on the outside, Full Combat Order coming closer, Golden Sunrise, Full Combat Order, Parisian Live, Full Combat Order now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Full Combat Order, Golden Sunrise runs back in second, Parisian Live, and down to the finish, and it's still Full Combat Order over Golden Sunrise, Parisian Live, and it's still Full Combat Order by about 3 lengths now over Golden Sunrise, and nearing the finish line, it's Full Combat Order, Golden Sunrise, then comes Sabawani, runway 10.
Case Boy, and they're open, raising now. Take a chance. Gold Digger rushing up now for the outside, BG. Then followed by Buntai Shore Kaboom. Also there now, then followed by Maayo Kaayo. Say Charles, then followed by Sundance, while Aisha is running in a tail blue field, and as they settle now, take a chance. Leads by Sam Tulangs, followed by Buntay Shore. Here comes Kaboom, now running in, third down in fourth BG. One moving forward now in the rail, called Digger, running outside Seychelles, then followed by entry number 3, Maayo Kaayo Sundance, while I shot still running in the tail of the field and towards the last 400. Take a chance in front by Santu Kaboom, now by the outside, then followed by Buntay Shore. Here comes Gold Digger BG, next in line Seychelles. Sundance got to be hurry now. I shot while Maayo Kaayo is running in the tail of the field. Down the stretch they go. Gold Digger in the middle. Take a chance. Now the outside. Kaboom! Motherfucker outside. Gold Digger take a chance. Gold lighted in front. Gold Digger in front. Followed by Take a Chance, and finally Gold Digger take a chance. I shot.
Horses out, aces grumble for front position, moving up the wari outside, walking on Sunshine together with Lucky Nono. Player Andre comes next on the outside, moving up now is Asik Pauls in the middle portion. Lucky Nono walking on Sunshine in third position, and in fourth player Andre Nozen Yang Yana in fifth. Asik Pauls, Lucky Nono by the crowd for the leader. Walking on Sunshine is a very close third, and in fourth position Nozen Yang Yana, player Andre Super Spunky. Ayuda comes next. Sapin, you never know when. Cool Mama, it's still Lucky No by about 2 lengths, and in second still is Asik Pauls. Here comes walking on Sunshine Nozen Yang Yana, Super Spunky, player Andre and Ayuda, with Lucky No still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Walking on Sunshine now moving up to take second, player Andre on the outside third, then moving up is Sapin as the field turns for Roma. Lucky No walking on Sunshine, player Andre that are inside Super Spunky, and it's still Lucky No walking on Sunshine that are inside Ayuda. Sabina, but it's still Lucky No walking on Sunshine on the outside. Lucky No walking on Sunshine, Ayuda, but it's still Lucky No. Second is Ayuda walking on Sunshine. Sabin. Then comes player Andre.